How to remove voice chat on WhatsApp group. So let's get started. So basically, there isn't any built-in feature in WhatsApp to remove the voice chat directly on your WhatsApp group. So just know that if you have more than 100 members on a WhatsApp group, then your voice chat is easily disabled or automatically disabled. But if you don't and you only have 3 to 4 or minimum amounts of members on your WhatsApp group and you send a voice chat to your group, and if you want to remove it, then you can simply choose remove for everyone option in your WhatsApp. So here you can see, let me record something to send to my group. So here I have sent it. Now simply long press on the voice chat you sent and there tap on the delete. Then tap on the delete option available again. Then tap for delete everyone option available there and it will be removed. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.